Hey everyone, welcome back to Tool Mentorship, your one-stop destination for all things tools, reviews, and DIY essentials. Let's face it, dust in your workshop isn't just annoying, it's hazardous. It clogs up your machines, irritates your lungs, and leaves a mess you don't want to deal with. But what if I told you there's a way to make your workspace cleaner, safer, and way more efficient? In today's video, we're diving into the best dust extractors you can find on Amazon. We're not just listing them, we're giving you detailed insights on how they perform, who they're perfect for, and why they're worth every penny. Whether you're a weekend hobbyist or a seasoned pro, these dust extractors will transform your woodworking experience. We'll review 5 amazing products: the Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector, Vacmaster Wet Dry Vac with Cyclonic Dust Bags, Shopfox Dust Collector, Festool HEPA Dust Extractor, and the Bucktool Wall-Mount Dust Collector. So stick around and don't miss a thing. Also check out the description box and the pinned comment for the product links. Your dream dust extractor is just a click away. If you're ready to take your workshop to the next level, hit that like button and let's jump right in. Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector. Let's kick things off with the Jet Vortex Cone Dust Collector, a game changer for anyone managing large-scale woodworking projects. What sets this dust extractor apart is its Vortex cone technology, which ensures optimal chip separation. This means less clogging and more efficiency. It boasts a 2-horsepower motor that handles heavy-duty debris like a champ, and its durable build ensures it lasts for years. The system's capacity is perfect for a professional workshop, but even a passionate DIYer will love how much cleaner their space becomes. Plus, the portability makes it easier to move around when needed. If you want to keep your machines running smoothly and your air free of harmful dust particles, this is the dust collector for you. Grab yours today through the link in the description box below. Vacmaster Wet Dry Vac with Cyclonic Dust Bags. Next up is the Vacmaster Wet Dry Vac, a versatile option for those who need a multifunctional dust extractor. This machine isn't just for dry debris, it also handles wet messes effortlessly. Thanks to its cyclonic dust bags, it captures even the finest dust particles, making your workspace healthier. Its compact size is a major bonus for smaller workshops, and the powerful suction is impressive for a vac this size. It's perfect for anyone who needs a dust solution for more than just woodworking. Cleaning up spills and sawdust with one tool, that's a win in our book. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Shopfox Dust Collector. The Shopfox Dust Collector is a crowd favorite for those who want great performance on a budget. With a high-capacity 2.5 micron bag, it captures even the tiniest particles that you wouldn't want to breathe in. Despite its budget-friendly price, the build quality is solid, and it can handle the demands of a busy workshop. This model is also portable, so you can easily move it between machines. It's especially great for smaller spaces, or for someone just starting their woodworking journey. If affordability and efficiency are your priorities, the Shopfox Dust Collector is a no-brainer. Check out the description box for the product link. Festool HEPA Dust Extractor. If you're all about precision and want the cleanest air possible, the Festool HEPA Dust Extractor is a top choice. This premium model features a HEPA filtration system, which captures 99.97% of particles, even as small as 0.3 microns. That's hospital-grade air quality. Its compact design and lightweight body make it highly portable, and it operates surprisingly quietly. This dust extractor is perfect for professionals who demand the best, or for anyone working in spaces where clean air is critical. If this sounds like the perfect fit for your workshop, grab it through the link in the description below. Bucktool Wall-Mount Dust Collector. Finally, let's talk about the Bucktool Wall-Mount Dust Collector, the ultimate space-saving solution. Its wall-mounted design keeps your floor space free, while its powerful motor ensures efficient dust collection. It's easy to install, and once it's up, you'll wonder how you ever worked without it. This machine is ideal for smaller workshops or anyone looking to maximize their workspace. Plus, its sleek, quiet operation ensures it doesn't disrupt your workflow. Check the description box and pinned comment to snag this amazing dust extractor today. And that wraps up our review of the best dust extractors available on Amazon. Keeping your workshop clean and safe has never been easier with these incredible tools. Whether you're looking for heavy-duty performance or a compact, space-saving design, there's a dust extractor here for everyone. Which one of these products is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you have used any of these, share your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to check the description box and pinned comment for all the product links so you can pick the perfect dust extractor for your needs. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews, and ring the bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.